Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at solving equations with unknowns on both sides. So first thing we need to try and do is get all of our unknowns onto one side to make it easier. Just remember what the equal sign means. The equal sign means it's like a balancing beam. Both sides are equal. So whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So I'm going to rewrite this, but first I'm going to draw a lovely balancing beam. Just to make it easy for us to see. So, first thing I'm going to be doing is I want to get all my like terms together. So I'm going to circle my like terms, 11x and 10x. I want them on one side. And my other like terms is -5 and +3. So I'm going to keep my x's on this side. So I'm just going to write 11x there. And I'm going to keep my 3 on this side. The first thing I'm going to be doing is getting this 10x onto this side. So this 10x, we can also say is a positive 10x. So I'm plussing 10x. What's the opposite of plus 10x? I want this to be completely gone. Minus 10x. So if I have minus 10x on this side, 10x minus 10x equals 0. I won't have it. But I need to minus it on this side as well because it's an equal sign, like a balancing beam. 11x, take 10x. Somebody write that on here. Take 10x. I'll take 5 equals 3. Now, I want this -5 to be on the opposite side. So I'm going to circle that. Because we still need to get all of our like terms together. So remember, everything is like a balancing beam. Whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. So to get -5 to 0, I need to plus 5. If I plus 5 on one side, I am plussing 5 on the other. So then I'll rewrite my equation. 11x, take 10x, equals 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then I can finally solve it. If I've got 11 apples and I'm taking 10 apples away, I'm left with 1 apple. So just x equals 8. Let's have a look at the other side now. 5x, take away is 21, equals 13 plus 3x. I'm going to circle my common unknowns. I'm going to circle my other like terms. I'm just going to make sure I accidentally went over that. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to change it in one go. So I'm going to get -21 onto the opposite side. I'm going to add 21 onto this side. To get 3x to the opposite side, opposite of plus 3x is minus 3x. So I'll minus 3x on this side. And then I will rewrite 5x, take 3x equals 13 plus 21. Now that I've done that, I can simplify it. If I've got 5x or 5 apples and I lose 3 apples, I'm left with 2x, 2 apples. 13 plus 21 equals 34. Now, just remember our balancing beam. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. I've got 2x on this side. I want to get x by itself. So what's the opposite of times by 2? Divide by 2. So I divide the opposite side, but the other side by 2 as well. 2x divided by 2 equals x. 34 divided by 2 equals 17. So x equals 17. So this method is here to help you be able to solve equations with an unknown on both sides. The main thing that you need to take out of this is trying and get the like terms together and simplifying it to make it easier for you. If you'd like any extra videos on how to solve equations with unknowns on both sides, feel free to message me, subscribe, and I'll get back to you.